Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can cash out from Sweatcoin. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, open up your Sweatcoin application on your mobile device and simply log in with your account. After logging in, you will be redirected to your dashboard automatically. Here you will be able to see all of your assets at the top right corner. So what you need to do is simply tap on balance at the top right corner, or you can select the wallet icon present in the icon tray at the bottom. And after accessing the balance section of your account, tap on the go to shop button. Here you can spend your sweat coins on anything you like. You can also buy anything and then sell it to other people to get the payment. Since you know that the shop cards change once in a while, you can look for Amazon gift cards to get payments directly from Sweatcoin application. And that's how you can cash out from Sweatcoin. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.